Helo, Ydw i. Ac heddiw, da ni'n mynd i edrych ar uned 12. Today we're going to look at Unit 12. Yn uned 12, da ni'n edrych ar y meddiannol. We're looking at the possessive today. I have, in my possession, belongs to me. Mae gen I baned. Mae gen I baned. I have a cuppa. When I'm actually having a cup of tea, we use dwi'n cael paned. I'm having it, dwi'n cael paned. But when I've got it in my possession, mae gen I have a cup of tea. Mae gen I. Having, cael, mae gen I in my possession. Mae gen I. Right, so dyma'r patrwm. Mae gen I, mae gen ti. Mae gyno fo, mae gyn I hi. Mae gyno ni, mae gyno chi, mae gynnyn nhw. Unwaith eto. Mae gen I, mae gen ti. Mae gyno fo, mae gyn I hi. Mae gyno ni, mae gyno chi, mae gynnyn nhw. Right, tro chi. Tell me you have these things. Mae gen I gar. Mae gen I fabi. Mae gen I feic. Right, your turn. Tell me you have these things. Mae gen I feic. Mae gen I fabi. Mae gen I gar. Mae gen I gi. Mae gen I fwnci. Oh. Mae gen I gath. Mae gen I falwn. Mae gen I ddoli. Cofiwch, mae gen I is going to cause that treiglad meddal. Mae gen I. Right. Question. Beth da ni'n bod yn busneslyd? Busneslyd. Nosy. We're going to be nosy. We want to know what people have. Right. So, da ni angen gofyn question. We need to ask a question. And it's going to be a closed question, so we need to know a yes and no for this. Okay? Right. So, we get rid of my. And in formal language, we use this question word. Oes. 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 Oes gen ni. Oes gen ti. Oes gyno fo. Oes gyn I hi. And so on. Okay? Ond, mewn iaith lafar, in speech, we tend to do this. So we're not saying the oi bit. We're saying sken, sken, skenny, skenti, sgyno fo, sgynni hi, sgynno ni, sgynno chi, sgynnyn nhw. Unwaith eto. Sgenni, skenti, sgynno fo, sgynni hi, sgynno ni, sgynno chi, sgynnyn nhw. Mark question. Da chi'n cofio? Do you remember that question word? What was it? Oes. Oes. Yes. No. Nac oes. Right. Oes, nac oes. Oes, nac oes. Sgen ti ddoli? Oes. Sgen ti falwn? Oes. Sgen ti gath? Nac oes. Sgen ti fwnci? Oes. Sgen ti gi? Nac oes. Sgen ti gar? Oes. Oes, nac oes. Oes, nac oes. Right. Beth am y negyddol? What about the negative? I haven't got. I haven't got. Right. So, really simple. So, get into the question mark. And we just add ddim. Ac yn y blaen. So, I haven't got, sgen ni ddim. You haven't got, sgen ti ddim. He hasn't got, sgynno fo ddim. She hasn't got, sgynni hi ddim. Sgynno ni ddim. Sgynno chi ddim. Sgynnyn nhw ddim. Right. Tell me you haven't got these things. Right. I don't have a car. Sgen i ddim car. I don't have a dog. Sgen i ddim ci. Dim treiglad meddal. Ddim has absorbed the soft mutation. Da iawn. I don't have a monkey. Sgen i ddim monkey. I don't have a cat. Sgen i ddim cath. I don't have a balloon. Sgen i ddim balloon. I don't have a dolly. Sgen i ddim dolly. I don't have a baby. Sgen i ddim babi. I don't have a bike. Sgen i ddim bike. Right. Tro chi. Tell me you haven't got these. Sgen i ddim bike. Sgen i ddim babi. Sgen i ddim dolly. Right. Wel, dwi'n gobeithio bod hynna wedi helpu rwan. Sgen i ddim paned. So, well i mi fynd. I'd better go. Sgen i ddim paned. Hwyl!